This is D3 with K2. Let me show you the little tablets. They're extremely small, okay? And the important thing with this is you want to take D3. Obviously, that's really good for you. You want to take the D3 supplement, which is really good. This is 10,000 IUs, but it also has the K2 in there. Now, what the K2 does, that allows your body to actually use the D3. So you can take the D3, but if you really want to supercharge the D3, you take it also with the K2, and that helps your body use like all of it, basically break it down and use it. We all know vitamin D is extremely important. It's something that your body produces based off of the sun. If you don't have enough sun, if you're not in the sun, you actually get really sick. So vitamin D is extremely important, and when they supercharge it with that K2, that's where you kind of get that all-around great supplement. Yeah, this is a 365-day supply amount. So yeah, this is D3, it's 10,000 IUs, and K2, it's 200. So yeah, pretty good stuff. Probably want to add this to your daily supplement list if you don't already have it.